Oh, hello friends. I keep finding you in the strangest places. Good morning to you. I'm just out here in the backyard doing some maintenance, some work to transform this little backyard into a piece of my own paradise. And I wonder, what kind of maintenance are you doing? What kind of hard work do you do every day to keep things going, to build towards a dream? Because when you're working towards a dream, you never know what you're gonna find. Well, friends, we've got some sweet and juicy lessons this week. Lots of stuff on types of fruit, and some aren't so juicy. The interdependencies, that work that we do together, that we depend on to keep the world moving, and what we can also do if maybe, we don't like what somebody else has, but we still need something. We've got the paint and blow technique, that's pretty cool. And harnessing the power of the sun to heat things up. Get really hot with solar ovens. We will finish Danny, the champion of the world this week, and I've got a bonus read aloud for you and a bonus day of read aloud. And don't forget, speaking of weeks, next week is camp week. Have you put up a presentation yet? Maybe you want to put up another one? Or even another one? Do you really enjoy camping? I definitely do, and I can't wait to see what we've got in store next week. How about you? Well, think about what you like to maintain. We're hitting the summer. There's all these skills and things we've learned. What are you going to keep up on this summer? What new projects are you going to start? What new things are you going to maintain? Well, I've got to get back to this yard if I want to get that dream realized. I'll see you soon, friends.